Hi, everyone. This is Linda. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you step by step how to install Visual Studio and create a new project. Now, let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and type visualstudio.microsoft.com. This will take you to the Visual Studio homepage. Scroll down to the available Visual Studio options and choose Community 2022 to download it. The Community Edition is free for individuals and students, and you can sign in to use it. After downloading, open the file. Click Continue to install Visual Studio, and wait for the installation to complete. Once it's installed, you'll see an option to choose your workloads. I've already selected .NET Desktop Development. If you want to follow along, select it and then click Install to set up Visual Studio. After the installation finishes, click Launch to open Visual Studio and create a new project. To start a new project, in the search box, type console and choose C# Console App, then click on it. Now, give your project a name. You can choose a location to save it or just use the default. The solution name is usually the same as the project name. Then, click Next. My framework is set to .NET 8.0. If yours is different, you'll need to update it. Now, you'll see the interface for .NET 8.0, which is the starting point for our console window application. Hello, world, already there. Now, I am going to write my first console app by adding my own words. Type a left parenthesis, then include the words. Between double quotes, and finish with a closing parenthesis followed by a semicolon. Now, click Build to build the solution. The shortcut for this is Ctrl+Shift+B. This will compile the source code for the application. In the output window, you will see Build 1 succeeded. Next, run the application. You can use the debug menu and select Start Debugging. The shortcut for this is F5. This will open the output window, where you can see the console application displaying the output. Press any key to close this window. Next, go to Tools to customize the theme. You can select your preferred color scheme. Options include Blue. Blue contrast. Dark. Light. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe, leave a comment, and hit the notification bell to receive updates on more videos and new information. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.